Do you know human emotions are one of the great gifts of life? Nothing in the history of humanity has had such an impact on world events. Emotions have started war and ended them. Emotions cause people to do crazy things and they bring ultimate fulfillment. But the problem is, people don't know how to change their moods, how to change their emotions, or we can call a state of mind. And in today's video, you are going to learn 7 ways on how to change your mood. Hi, my name is Amol Karale and I'm an morning ritual miracle and law of attraction specialist. I have trained till date more than 20,000 plus people to become the best version of themselves in all the 5 areas of life: health, career, relationship, money, and spiritual. So let's start. What are the 7 ways which can help you to change your mood, or I call it as a state of mind to change your life? Number one, examine your limiting belief. Most of the people go through the problem of limiting beliefs. They either have empowering belief or disempowering belief. And if you really want to get successful in life, first try to identify what are the limiting beliefs that are stopping you. Like in my life, I had so many limiting beliefs. I'm not good enough. My English is not good. I can't get success in business. Money is very difficult to make because I had failed back to back in 3 business. I thought I can't do business, I can't make money, and the limiting belief was really not giving me that success. So what I did, I examined my limiting belief. I wrote my limiting belief that I have in my life, and when I was writing it, I realized there are more than 20-25 limiting belief I had. I converted all that disempowering limiting belief into empowering belief, and I installed that powerful belief in my subconscious mind by every morning, by practicing affirmations, by practicing incantations, by practicing installation of powerful belief in subconscious mind. So the first is to examine your limiting belief and you to convert all your negative disempowering belief into positive empowering belief. Number one, that's number one. Second, you need to change your inner dialogue. I would also call it and change your inner monologue. Because see, your limiting belief, whatever limiting beliefs you have about yourself, it will affect your inner monologue. It will affect your inner dialogue and those that creates your world. So stop having negative self-talk with yourself. Replace that negative talk into positive self-talk. Keep inspiring yourself every morning as soon as you wake up. Just change your inner dialogue. Keep talking to yourself. Close your eyes. Listen to good music. Just change your state. Do some meditation, and you'll start seeing the magic. Third, you need to adjust your posture. Now it's all about how you stand, how you talk. See, most of the people, when you're angry or when you're jealous or whenever your mood is off, you will see, like your state is not that good. You will find a lot of difference. But when you're in a happy state, when you're in a beautiful state, and when you're excited, when you achieve something in life, and when you share with your friend, your mood is in a very different level. Your emotions are at a different level. And please understand, if you really want to change your life, posture matters. You should always stand straight, always feel good about yourself, always talk, be positive. And the moment you have that great posture, you will start seeing some amazing shift in your life. Number four, smile. You should smile early morning as soon as you wake up. See in the mirror, keep smiling. You can watch some funny videos like audios, or you want to watch some serials. Like I love to watch some funny serials because it gives me a positivity dose, you can say. I do some laughter yoga challenge, like me and my community, when we do this morning, just to laugh like mad, because it's very important to start your day with smile. Because the more you smile, it improves your mood and it improves your mindset. Number fifth, move your body, shake your body. I say every morning, as we do these rituals, I tell people just get up, do some exercise, do 25-30 jumping jacks, song. We have these affirmations of I am the legend. Then we dance, we love ourselves, we listen to this beautiful song, Love You Zindagi, and we just try to do that. We all are moving our body and shaking our body because the more you move your body, it really impacts your mood and your mindset. So move your body, shake your body, do something, get in that state. Number six, create empowering morning rituals. I have been telling again and again and again, you need to have some strong morning rituals. If you don't have empowering morning rituals, if you don't do something for your life in the morning, it will not help you. Everything starts with morning. If your morning are good, if you start on a very high vibration level, like at that state, your entire day will go awesome. So you need to have that great morning rituals, because morning rituals will help you to change your life. Now, what are these morning rituals? What are the rituals you should do? Then you should definitely join my upcoming free workshop, which is for 3 hours. It's a practical workshop where I'll teach you the power of morning rituals. I'll show you the routine. I will show you how law of attraction works, how to follow the entire morning rituals, how to do it. Just not motivation, but I will do it. You all will do with me. And if you're really interested, hit that the description. You will get the link. Hit that link. Click on the link. Register yourself, and I will see you in the workshop. So that's number 6. And then the final number 7. It's very important you adopt an abundance mindset. You need to have an abundance mindset, because true freedom comes when you accept every moment. You need to accept every moment. You should be grateful for each and every moment. And when you take responsibility for your own lifestyle, your own feelings, your own actions, you have a true freedom. Most of the people, they have a mediocre mindset. I had a mediocre mindset. The moment I started building an abundance mindset, the moment I started feeling grateful for all the beautiful things that have in your life, my life completely got changed. So these are the 7 ways which can help you change your mood, which can help you to change your state of mind. If you like this video, if you have got some values, do like, do subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm on a mission to transform billions of life by helping them to become the best version of themselves in all the key areas of life. See you in my next video. Signing off, this is Amol.